Welcome to Frozen G Coins, a place for us to learn about numismatic coins and precious metals. Today we're going to look at a couple coins that just came in the mail. Got these this last week on Thursday and decided that I would go ahead and do a video for you guys with a quick opening. It's only two coins, if I remember correctly, just the two coins. I'll go over them real quick and give you guys a little information on them and hope you enjoy. Here's a package that I received. It's just a bubble wrap envelope. This is all personal information and what they are, how much I paid, everything like that. Double wrap, kind of nice, help protect them a little bit. And here's the first coin. Looks like it's a 1887 graded NGC MS61. '87 Morgans have a mintage of just over 20 million. And right now they're going for anywhere between $60 and $100 on eBay. And the next one is PCGS graded piece silver dollar, 1922. And the 1922 piece silver dollars have a mintage of just under 52 million. And they are going for right around $50 on eBay right now. All in, I got a pretty good deal. I'm all in at right at $100 on both these coins. So every once in a while you just have to add to your collection. These ones just came in this week, and you can't ever go wrong. The price will only go up. So, hope you all enjoyed that quick little sneak peek there at what I got, and hope to do more in the future. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching Frozen G Coins. Feel free to comment video ideas or questions you may have. Also, please subscribe and check out frozeng-coins.com.